Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can mine to NiceHash with HiveOS and get paid in Bitcoin. Just stick with me and we're going to jump right into the mining setup. The first thing you want to do is to head over to nicehash.com. Either you log in or you create an account by clicking the Get Started button on the right top there. Here you want to fill out your credentials, email, password, and the country you're from, and confirm that your country selection is correct, etc., and create an account. After that, you also want to enable the two-factor authentication through the Google Authenticator app. When you've done all that, you log in, and I'm going to show you the next step. Since I already have an account, I'm not going to create a new one. I am now logged into my account, and as you can see here, I have headed over to the mining page. Here you want to click on the mining address, so you get your mining address. This address will be very important when we are going to set up our wallet and flight sheet in HiveOS. So now let's go into HiveOS and let's set up our wallet and flight sheet. Now we are in my one of my rigs, and we're going to utilize this rig here with the Radeon RX 470 cards. We go into flight sheet, we add a flight sheet. Here we're going to write NiceHash, and we want to locate the ETC hash. And since I don't have a wallet from NiceHash setup, I'm going to add one now. So I click add wallet, and I need the address. I'm going to copy the address from the mining setup in NiceHash and paste it in here. And I can call this NiceHash etc. Now I've created it. Now I'm going to select the pool. It will be NiceHash, and you hit auto, apply, and the miner will be Team Red Miner. Since we are using AMD cards, we are going to use Team Red Miner. Now create flight sheet. The next thing I want to do is to head over to my worker here, and I want to deploy this flight sheet to my worker here. So I just hit deploy. Now the worker will be set up and configured within HiveOS, the Linux-based system, and we're just going to wait, and then we're going to go back to NiceHash to see if it recognizes our server. Alright guys, then we are up and running. As you can see, it does around 167.8 megahash to the NiceHash through the Team Red Miner. If you go over to NiceHash here, you can see, if you update the page, you can see you get your actual profitability by 24 hours, and yes, it's mining. It says unmanaged because I'm not using any of the software from NiceHash, so you can't manage the rig through NiceHash. You manage them through HiveOS. Since I like HiveOS and I'm used to use HiveOS, this is why I utilize HiveOS for most of my setups and mining farms. And if I have if there's some currency that is not supported, or algorithms that is not supported in HiveOS, I test them out on Windows, of course. But now you can see I will make this run for a couple of days to see how it is, and I think it will be okay. And I plan to try to check out how NiceHash works when it comes to payments, and we can actually do a calculation. We can actually see how profitable it is to mine to NiceHash rather than mining to, example, unmineable. So just stick with me and we jump into the setup. Okay, I'm over at NiceHash here. No, what to mine here, and I put in all of my cards, and as you can see here, we get 2144.2 megahash per second. based on the ETC algorithm. If you go to unmineable and you put in those same values, you see you get 0.0065 Bitcoin per month. If you go to NiceHash and you add the same cards in their setup, you will see that you get 0.15 Bitcoins per month. So it's a lot more profitable to mine to NiceHash than using unmineable to convert over to Bitcoin. So I would recommend mine to NiceHash through HiveOS if you're familiar with HiveOS, or if you like to use NiceHash's own operating system, you do that. But here, as you can see here now, it's mining, and the price have gone a little bit up. It says now 0.32 cents per day. So we will see. I will try to let this run and see how it works. Maybe I'll put all my rigs on eventually, but we will see. Now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the content I make and this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe also to the channel to get notifications on upcoming videos. So, yes, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.